So it is a moment of immense honor and pride for the Narayana Group as we gather to celebrate the stellar performances of our students in the JEE Advanced 2025 examination results. The results speak volumes of the hard work, dedication, and discipline, as well as the relentless efforts of everyone involved in this preparation journey. Year after year, our students continue to set new benchmarks in academic excellence, and this year has been no exception, I must say. On behalf of the Narayana Group, I extend a warm welcome to our distinguished members, esteemed members of the press, dedicated faculty, deans, proud parents, and most importantly, our shining stars who have made this day for us very special today. With that, let's begin the celebration of brilliance, dreams, and the Narayana spirit. And now, it's my honor to welcome the visionaries behind this excellence, our esteemed directors, Dr. Sindhura ma'am, Sharni ma'am, and of course, Puneet sir. Can I have the directors on the stage, please? I invite our beloved National Academic Head, Pramila ma'am, to present them with bouquets. Felicitation of our JEE Advanced toppers along with their proud parents. Each of these achievers is a shining example of discipline, grit, and the Narayana way of success. I will now be calling our rank holders along with their parents in the order of their rank. Starting off with Divyansh Agarwal, All India rank 205. He has also participated in the International Chemistry Olympiad. Next up is M. Gopalakrishna, All India rank 203. Next up is Shashank Mauli, All India rank 191. Next up is Madhu Kiran Reddy, All India rank 133. Madhu Kiran Reddy, All India rank 133. Next up, it is Ruthvik Mani Sai, All India rank 131. Next is Rajiv Aditya Sai, All India rank 127. Next in order is Jaswant V, All India rank 98. Please note, Jaswant has also qualified for International Mathematics Olympiad. Next is Chaitanya P, All India rank 88. Chaitanya P, everybody, All India rank 88. Next up is Pranav Tej, All India rank 136. Next up is Bharadwaj, All India rank 82. Next up is Bani Brata, All India rank 77, but he is not here with us today because he has gone for the astronomy camp. Next we'll be calling Cheryl Singla, who's All India rank 76. Cheryl Singla, everyone, All India rank 76. Next is Ishan Kumar, All India rank 53. Ishan Kumar, All India rank 53. Next is Bhanu Charan Reddy, All India rank 51. Bhanu Charan Reddy, All India rank 51. He is also qualified for Stage 1 IJSO and Mathematics Olympiad. Next in line is Kushagra Gupta, All India rank 49. Kushagra Gupta, All India rank 49. Next is Bhavya, All India rank 46, but she's on her way, so she'll be joining us shortly. Next is Vishak Jain, who's All India rank 44. Vishad has also been selected for International Olympiad on Physics, Chemistry and Astrophysics. Plus, he's also been selected for OCSC Physics. Next up is Man Patel, All India rank 43. Man has also been selected for OCSE Physics and he has also qualified for RMO. Next up, we have Guru Ratna, All India rank 40. His parents will be joining us to get felicitated. Next up is Arnav Jindal, All India rank 38. Please note, Arnav Jindal is also the Chandigarh state topper. Next up is Sanandhya Saraf, All India rank 31. Sanandhya Saraf, everyone, All India rank 31. Plus, he's also won a silver medal for astronomy and he's also going for an astronomy camp this year. Next up is Piyusha Das, All India rank 29. Please note she is also the Punjab state topper. But her achievement doesn't just stop there. She's also the Pan-India second ranker in girls category. Next up, we have Bharat Chandra, whose All India rank is 21. Next up is Anirudh Reddy, All India rank 20. Anirudh Reddy, everyone, All India rank 20. Next up is Agam Shah, All India rank 17, but he's still on the way and he'll be joining us shortly. Next is Lokesh, All India rank 10. Everyone keep the energy flowing. It's time for our top 10 rank holders. Lokesh, everybody, he's also the Andhra Pradesh state topper. Next up is Sahil Deo, All India rank 7. He's also qualified for International Chemistry Olympiad, International Physics Olympiad, and also International Astronomy Olympiad. And last but definitely not the least, Parth Vartak, All India rank 4. Please note he's also the Maharashtra state topper. Plus, he's qualified for IJSO camp, International Physics Olympiad camp, and Astrophysics Olympiad camp. hear from the leaders who make all of this possible. With their vision, guidance, and unwavering commitment, Narayana continues to set benchmarks in academic excellence. I now request our director, Sindhuram ma'am, to address the gathering.
A very good evening to all of you present here, to the media personnel, to the parents, proud teachers, administrative staff members, management of Narayana Group, and of course, the non-academic staff as well. A hearty welcome to the JEE Advanced 2025 Success Meet of Narayana. So, I would like to correct the anchor here. She just said, while introducing us, she said, the people who made it possible, that is the management. But I would say, just like in an IPL, if you have to win, it's not just the strategy. It's the strategy at the same time. It's the mentors or the coaches who are our R&D members, plus our administrative staff, academic staff members, and our teachers. And at the same time, the players who are our students and how they do on the field. How much practice we give them, how we correct them without letting them feel demotivated for years together is the ultimate result that we are seeing today. And we are super proud of them. That's why we are calling them Narayana's champions today. And a huge kudos to all of them. Please, a great round of applause to our champions. As you're all aware, this year also, along with the JEE main, IP result, as well as the 10th board results of different states, as well as CBSE, we have also done exceedingly well in JEE Advance. So exceedingly well that there is no other organization from Telugu states which is a competition to us. So first and foremost, in All India Open category, we are the only institutions from Telugu states which has bagged below 10, 5 ranks, All India Open category. That is 3rd rank, 4th rank, 6th rank, 7th rank, and 10th rank. And this is fantastic. As I said, no other Telugu institution has backed this amazing result. Going into the details of the result, 3rd rank is backed by Master Hussain from Madhya Pradesh, and 4th rank, Parth from Mumbai. I have to tell you a little more about Parth because out of the top 10 rankers in open category in India this year in JEE Advance, there is only one student, literally only one student, who bagged 120 out of 120 marks in mathematics. In the top 10 ranks, there is only one student who bagged 120 out of 120 marks in mathematics, and that's Parth. That is our student from Bombay. Congratulations, Parth. We just saw your parents here. We see the beam in their smile. Super proud of you. Narayana is the only institution from Telugu states which has bagged All India Open category 5 ranks, which include 3, 4, 6, 7, and 10. 3rd rank coming from Hussain from Madhya Pradesh. 4th rank from Parth from Mumbai. And as I mentioned, Parth is the only student in top 10 ranks in the open category in India who scored 120 out of 120 in mathematics. And there is a very strong reason for it. Mathematics has been a very lengthy paper this time, very tough. Usually we expect around 18 questions in numericals, but this time it went on to be 42 questions in numericals. So a lot of calculations involved, lot of complications involved. Still, the student stood very strong and has achieved it. This goes on to show the testimonials that kids usually write on every feedback online that you go through, or the testimonials we get from parents and teachers also. For mathematics, it's always Narayana. So I think we kept up with our own name by achieving this result. Followed by Rajesh, 6th ranker. Akshat Kumar, 6th ranker from Rajasthan. 7th ranker from Bombay again, Sahil, who is present here.
Congratulations. And 10th ranker in open category from Vijayawada, Lokesh. Super, congratulations. And it's not only in the top 10 ranks. Following this, we have below 50 All India open category, 23 ranks. So below 10, 50% of the results. Below 10, 50% of the results in open category is ours. At the same time, even below 50, almost 50% of the result is ours. That is 23 ranks. Followed by below 100 open category, 43 ranks. That is 43% of the result is once again ours. And followed by below 1,200 ranks. I'm pretty sure, although I have not verified, perhaps no other organization, not only from Telugu states or from anywhere, would have bagged this kind of open category ranks. 200 below 1,000 is 20% of the top 1,000 ranks in the country. This is a huge achievement. A big round of applause to our teachers and deans for this amazing input and for bringing out such amazing, creating these diamonds out of all these students. And also I have to give you one more highlight of this year's results. As per the information that we have received so far, in top 100, in girls, there are only 4 girls who have got open category ranks in top 100. Out of those 4, 2 are from Narayana itself. Fortunately, both of them are here with us. 29th ranker Piyusha Das. I have seen her. Can you come forward, please? Congratulations. So Piyusha Das is also a Punjab topper. Superb. We are super proud of you. Also, we have 76th ranker Cheryl. She is also Chandigarh topper. May I see her? Yeah. So both of them, as I said, out of 4 girl students who have achieved open category ranks in 100, 2 of them are with us. And that's again a testimonial to say it doesn't matter which gender you are, we put in the same level of effort and energy, and we make sure that we give you the best and you turn out to be toppers, not only bag a seat in IIT but also turn out to be real toppers. So congratulations, kudos to you, and congratulations to the parents once again. And it's not just in the top level. Even if we take in the number of selections, from the data we received so far, it looks like more than 15% of students will be selected as compared to last year. 15% is not a joke to show the growth in just 1 year, but that we are going to show. The data is still being pulled, so once it's consolidated, we will be able to give you the entire data. In addition to that, if we take all category ranks, below 10 we have 10, below 50 we have 42, below 100 we have 75, and below 1,000 we have 424. And that having said, I don't think I want to repeat what all we do and what all we have been doing for the last 46 years in order to ensure that we keep up with the dreams of parents, students, and also ensure that our teachers and our faculty are always well trained so that they look forward to giving students their level best. So in addition to that, as you are all aware, we have launched our digital platforms almost a decade ago now, and as part of the digital initiation, we have NLearn and NConnect, through which we offer not only online classes but also doubt clarification sessions, which is now powered by AI for more precision and speed. And we also offer them mock tests by letting students navigate through a UI which is almost similar to the real JEE Advanced or even NEET exams if they are taking them, which helps them a lot while they go and attempt the final exam, and they attempt the final exam without fear. And similarly, the doubt clarification sessions not only come from students asking the teachers alone, teachers also go through the way the student has attempted the question through the digital platform, like where the student has taken a pause, where the student has skipped or gone too fast, and then come back and address it. So by that kind of meticulous planning for years together, either from schooling level or college level, this kind of results are possible in every exam or every challenge we take up in general. So kudos again to everybody, the entire Narayana team, for such amazing show. As I said, this is like an IPL challenge where it's the mentors, the strategists at the very top, and the coaches, and of course the players, everyone, and of course the audience, everyone put together, we achieved this together. And before I end my speech, I would also like to tell you that NSAT is an exam that we conduct for all students starting from younger sections also, that is 6th grade also. This is an exam that we offer in order to help out the students who are probably even at a rural level, who may not have much awareness about programs like Narayana. They can attempt this test, and through that we will get to know where you are, so that we can not only offer you a seat in the right program, but also offer you the scholarship that we think is appropriate and take you in. So NSAT exam is open. Please watch out for our more details on our website, and please make use of the facility. And congratulations to the stars once again, and all the very best.
Thank you so much, Sindhura ma'am. I now request Shani ma'am to share her thoughts, please.
A very good evening and a warm welcome to the press meet. JEE advanced results are out today, and we couldn't be more happier because the entire Narayana group, we wait for this day because we are sure that students have put in their maximum effort. Students have cracked the JEE advanced paper irrespective of the toughness, and today we are here celebrating it with the parents, with the media, with the entire Narayana family, and most importantly students. So can we have a huge round of applause to all the students? I'm super excited to say that in top 10 we have 5 ranks in open category. 3rd rank, 4th rank, 6th rank, 7th rank and 10th rank. At the same time, if you talk about category ranks in top 10, we have 10. Top 100 open category we have 43, and category we have 75. Top 1000 we have 200, and category we have 424. JEE advanced paper, we all know it was very tough, it was very lengthy, especially when compared to last year. Irrespective of the toughness, irrespective of how lengthy the paper was, Narayana students did amazing. It's not only in top 10, top 100, top 1000, but in all categories. I'm sure Narayana Group is the only educational institution who has produced this amazing results. So congratulations once again to all the students. It's such a proud moment today. Generally, in any IIT advanced paper, there will be 18 numericals. Paper 1, paper 2. If you add it up, there will only be 18 numericals. But this year, JEE IIT advanced paper had 42 numericals. And in such a short time, numericals were more, and definitely it took a lot of stress and it took a lot of pressure on students to crack the IIT paper. But irrespective of what it is, it's all about focus, it's all about dedication, it's all about the techniques we use in the Narayana group that give us such amazing results. And if I talk about how we produce these results, it's mainly our micro schedule, it's mainly our micro error analysis. Because after every examination, there is an environment, a proper hand-holding created from the teacher's point of view to the student. So once the examination is done, an error analysis is generated, and the student and the teachers sit together, they identify the errors, and once you identify the error, for the next couple of examinations, when that common error rectification is done, I'm sure student will excel in all the subjects. And competitive examination, there is a lot of stress. It's not about what you prepare throughout the year, but it's all about those 6 hours, what you write. And I'm sure there is a lot of focus to all these students here. There's a lot of focus, and that's why we have such amazing results. And if I also talk about Narayana schools, from 6th grade only, we start IIT and we start NEET. We have Narayana eTechno program, Narayana CO program, and we have come up with Narayana Future Edge program also this year. The main purpose of coming up with different number of programs is we as a Narayana group are known for all India competitive examinations, but at the same time, we want to give that holistic approach to the child. I'm sure there are a lot of initiatives that are being taken in the education field. So we want to make sure with the help of AI, with the help of digital classrooms, with the help of smart rooms, with the help of Lego walls and n number of initiatives, we want to be there for the child. We want to shape the child not only in academics. One most important factor is common analysis. Once the examination is over, we have a research and development team who make sure we are up to the mark. We are there, we identify the trends in the education industry, we identify the changes in the educational market, and we anticipate them, and we are much ahead. And that's why if you compare Narayana internal and external analysis, it's just hardly 5 to 10% variation. If I compare the Narayana internal marks versus the external, every year, whether it's board examinations, whether it's NEET, whether it's n number of competitive examinations, we are right here. We are here addressing the press, we are here addressing the parents and students, and it's such a beautiful moment. So I would like to thank the students, and more than students, the parents, because parents have been a huge, huge support. And we also have Disha. Disha is more like counseling. We identify the students, especially at this point of time, right before the competitive examinations start. Students have a lot of stress, and definitely they need a lot of moral support. They need a lot of hand holding. So we make sure through a team called Disha, there are n number of counselors in this group. So we counsel the students, we make sure we create a safe environment, we create a positive hand-holding environment, and today our results speak. And during these 2 years, we nearly conduct about 240 examinations. Weekly, there are 2 examinations. And if a child writes weekly 2 examinations and 240 examinations as a whole, I'm sure by the time the child goes into a new external environment, the child has already made up their mind, and it's easier for the child to build that trust with himself. And that's why today I can proudly say that with the help of weekly tests, with the help of grand test, with the help of cumulative tests, with all these tests, we take the child through a journey. We take the child to a journey of discovering themselves, and today we're extremely proud of our results. And I'm sure the NEET results, which are going to be released very, very soon in June, we will get extraordinary results, and we'll come here again with a different batch of students, with a different batch of parents, and the entire Narayana family. So thank you so much, and a huge congratulations to everyone. Thank you.
I have achieved All India rank 4. And my journey, it was all about studying hard and just keep on studying till the exam and follow your teacher's advice. My teachers at Narayana, they were the best, and they really were the pillars of support for me, and they were instrumental for my success. They really are the best at whatever they teach, and their guidance is invaluable. So they would tell me what to study and what to solve, and I would just follow their instructions, and that worked out really well. Cleared INMO 3 times, and I've also qualified for OCSE in physics.
Thank you so much, Parth. Can we have Sahil now, please, to share his experience with us?
My name is Sahil Dev, and I have achieved All India Rank 7 in JEE Advanced 2025. My journey, well, it was a long journey, 2 years of hard work, and it's not the same for everybody, but the thing which is common, I find, in all the aspirants is just hard work. You should never stop working hard. Wake up every day and think, I should work towards my goal. And that's all I did. Other than that, stay motivated, keep yourself fresh, and never give up. Yeah. Well, I would just like to say one more thing, that I share my credit not just with my parents, but also my teachers, all the non-teaching staff as well. They really helped me in my preparation. They tried to make everything convenient for me to study. So thank you for all that.
My name is Vadlamodi Lokesh. I am from Narayana Vijayawada. I have been studying in Narayana from 7th class, nearly 6 years. Narayana helped me streamline my journey in a easy way, like through its micro schedules and error analysis similar. We need to just keep on moving, not matter the setbacks and failures we get in between. Just don't give up and observe your personal growth and be confident. And my parents and non-teaching staff and my teachers have helped me so much in achieving this rank. I'm very grateful for them and I thank them for their belief in me. Yeah, the material helped me practice time management and my accuracy skills that helped me this year's paper in the numericals.
So, hello everybody. My name is Sanidhya Saraf and I have secured All India rank 31 in JEE Advanced. So, my journey has been long, intensive, I would say. Giving 250 plus tests, regular analysis, I guess are the key to success, and that's why I got the good rank, which I always expected, always dreamed of. And I would always thank my teachers at Narayana and my parents. My teachers were the main players in this game. They were the people who taught me. They taught me how to ace the examination, kept me motivated, and they gave the strategies to crack the examination. And my parents were also the emotional backbone of this journey. They were always there whenever I felt low or had some emotional problems. So I would like to thank all of them as well.
Hi, my name is Piyusha Das and I have secured All India rank 29 in JEE Advanced 2025. I have studied at Narayana's CO Chandigarh campus for 2 years, and Narayana's micro schedule and weekly tests have helped me a lot in improving my performance, and as well as the error analysis has helped me to identify the areas of improvement as well as my areas of strength. Yeah, I'm very happy with the result. I was hoping for such a good result, and I am now able to get into IIT Bombay, so I'm very happy about that.
Thank you, Piyusha. Can we have Man Patel, please, to share his experience?
My name is Man Patel. I was a student of Narayana Ahmedabad from past 1 year. And I would like to say, I would like to give an advice to future aspirants that keep all the 3 subjects balanced. Do not create an unbalance, like study physics and maths and leave chemistry, or study physics and chemistry and leave maths. Keep all the 3 subjects balanced. Then only the overall result would come what you were expecting.
Hello, I'm Kushagra Gupta. I secured All India rank 49. I'm very happy and satisfied with this achievement. My advice to everyone is just that you should keep working hard, and you should just keep practicing. You should not falter anywhere. If you have some moments of weakness, if you falter somewhere, just don't worry, continue on your track, and if your motive is right, then you'll definitely get your goal. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kushagra.
Hello, my name is Chayal Singla and I am from Narayana Chandigarh. I got a All India rank of 76 in JEE Advanced 2025. I am very grateful to my parents, my teachers and Narayana Institute for helping me throughout this journey of 2 years. It was a tough journey, but I always had the support of my parents, teachers, and Narayana Institute gave me a great platform to work upon. And my advice to the future aspirants will be to believe in yourself even when the time is tough, because there'll be low movements throughout the journey, but you have to believe in yourself and to be always honest with your own work. At the end of the day, you should be satisfied with what you did in the whole day. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Cheryl. We have one more achiever who will be sharing his experience with us. That's Arnav Jindal.
Hello, I am Arnav Jindal and I am from Narayana Mohali branch. I have secured AIR 38 in JEE Advanced 2025. I want to thank my parents, teachers for their infinite support. Narayana schedules, tests and error analysis was very crucial for my journey, and I am very thankful to them.
I am Bharat and I have secured All India rank 21 in JEE Advanced 2025. When I started my journey, I was extremely confused of what I can achieve. but my teachers made me like the subject a lot, that I had a lot of clarity in my subject and I was enjoying the subject, and it is because of them that I was able to achieve such a good score.
And I'm going to present this song. I wrote this song to capture the spirit. It's been 6 years since I've been working with Narayana, and I've seen the kind of hard work and the planning that goes and the spirit that I've tried to capture when I wrote this song. So I'll start this song. गूंजे गगन में फलता है प्रण में हर एक मन में नारायण. एवरीबॉडी. गूंजे गगन में सफलता है प्रण में हर एक मन में नारायण 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 नारायण. श्रम एव जयते यही हम हैं कहते हैं मन में ये ठानी कठिन साधना. नारायण. गूंजे गगन में सफलता है प्रण में हर एक मन में नारायण 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 नारायण. हमें जिसने बख्शा सफलता का नक्शा समय को सुरक्षा यहीं से मिली. हमें जिसने बख्शा सफलता का नक्शा समय को सुरक्षा यहीं से मिली. जरा कम न होती परिश्रम की ज्योति है मन में जो जलती यहीं से मिली. है उत्साह मन में है शिक्षक भी संग में मिल प्रतियोगिता का करें सामना करें सामना. गूंजे गगन में सफलता है प्रण में हर एक मन में नारायण 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 नारायण. हमको दिखाएं दिशा और राहें हो पूरी सभी की मनोकामना. हमको दिखाएं दिशा और राहें हो पूरी सभी की मनोकामना. है सबसे ये उत्तम परिश्रम परिश्रम सफलता के परचम है लहरा दिए. यहाँ हर हृदय में हर किरण विजय में हम विकसित करें नई संभावना संभावना. गूंजे गगन में सफलता है प्रण में हर एक मन में नारायण नारायण नारायण. श्रम एव जयते यही हम हैं कहते हैं मन में ये ठानी कठिन साधना. नारायण. गूंजे गगन में सफलता है प्रण में हर एक मन में नारायण. एवरीबॉडी. नारायण 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 नारायण. Many thanks to the Narayana system for giving us opportunity to mentor such brilliant students, and also we are attracting so many hardworking students. Thanks to the Narayana system. Thank you everybody. Thank you.